I use Fit Produce Wash to remove all off flavors from the produce. Fruit protector for protecting the peaches from browning. I have everything set up and ready and to go for the salsa. Now this is a simmer recipe because you don't want to overcook the peaches. I rinse the peaches twice to get the fruit protector off, and then now I'm ready to assemble. I'm going to put the poblanos, a light heat, habaneros with seeds, so therefore I have the entire heat. Apple cider vinegar, excellent choice, a little bit sweet, not as sharp as white vinegar. Lime juice to make sure there's also no issues with botulism when I can. Light brown sugar just to give some caramel notes to the salsa, quite delicious. Of course, some cilantro, Himalayan salt, nice mineral content. Minced garlic, gotta have that to make good salsa. Ground cumin, essential, must do. Red onion, way better than white. Flavor profile, definitely suggest it. Mixed to well combined, and what you want to do is allow the salsa to sit for an hour, so therefore juices are put together. Then you fill the hot jars, 180-degree water. Fill and process for 15 minutes on a simmer. You don't want to overcook the peaches because then it would be straight mush when you eat it. We don't want that. I had to throttle down a couple of times just to make sure I had a simmer. And voila, perfect, amazing flavored salsa.